How's it, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Northriding Randburg. We're going to replace a Centurion D6 Smart. Client's other gate motor was stolen, and then obviously the client bought a box kit. So coming back to the RAS rack, we're not going to use it. This is not quality stuff, it won't last. Alright, let's quickly look at where we need to do what. So there used to be a base plate, they've broken that off. You can see that the welding isn't even rusted as yet. So they took off with a whole complete motor. Well, let's see that we put hours in and that they can't do it again. Stay tuned, this is going to be a long one, about 4 hours that we need to do. Most probably start off by just removing the steel rack from the gate, and we continue. We've done building the platform. The slot that we cut in here, we used it on the right hand side to further secure the steel base plate. If you just want to look at that welding there, it's unlikely that this gate motor is going to grow any feet and walk off again. Your two supports, one here, the other one there on the right hand side, will prevent you from just breaking it off at the back. So what will happen if you do manage to break it down on the front side and you start lifting the motor, then your base will first bend. If you can get this one out and you can get the right rear one out, then you'll be successful in trying to get the gate motor stolen. But good luck to you. You will work hard to get it. You're not going to get it for free in any case. Okay. So what we do is we place the gate motor down onto the steel base plate, and then what we do is we position, just turn the camera so that you can clearly see it, and then we check the opening distance between the steel gate and the gate motor, so that it doesn't catch at any point in time. You will see that the distance does increase. The reason for that is that the gate is bent, so it's increasing and then it will decrease again. That's the final position. So then what we do is we spot weld the gate motor into position. You can see the two spot welds there. If you look here, the bolts are in the center slots, or in the center of the slots, which means we can still move the gate motor forward and backward, or closer to the gate and further away from the gate. Just going to show you there. We've just spot welded the steel base plate into position. So we're now going to remove the gate motor, weld the steel base plate down onto our steel foundation plate, and then we can secure the gate motor finally down into its position, and by securing the bolts and all of that. Just a quick view. We've welded the gate motor steel base plate down onto our steel platform. We're going to quickly paint all of these welded areas with a primer paint so that it doesn't rust, and then it's motor fitting time. Let's see if we can get it on a video to show you that the gate is basically like a banana. So we're going to quickly close it slowly. Right, go. That's it. And if you look closely at the distance where the gate motor pinion gear is, you see the distance does decrease. You can see that the gate motor is a banana. So if I walk closer now, you can see the spacing between the gate motor pinion gear and the steel gate is much less than if we compare it to what it's in the fully open position. Let's quickly open it again. Just want to make sure that the camera is out of the way. Okay. You can see that the distance is increasing and then it decreases as again. There you can see it. We just hope we can see it on the camera so that we can make you aware of it. Okay. Let's quickly look at the steel rack. Also like a banana, we'll sort that out. But the concerning part is this here. There you can see that the steel rack has been poorly joined, and that's just going to cause you troubles. You pan up like this, banana gate, or the steel gate rail, that's a banana, and we'll sort that out as well. And this. I want to tell you guys that 4mm and 6mm cables don't work in the AC supply line plug. There's just not enough space there. What you're getting is you're getting arcing over. Okay, this gate motor was stolen in any case, but you're getting open cables and you're getting arcing. So only thing that you need to do is take a 1.5 and you put it in. That's all you need to do. Right everyone, we're done with the welding of the steel gate rail onto the steel sliding gate. Obviously the spacing is according to factory specifications. But there you can see all of our brackets. They welded. Not spot welded, they welded. There we go. Right, time now. Put the casing in, program the gate motor limits, and then sort out the mess of wires that we have here. Right, let's quickly look at this anti-theft bracket. This is again not the Centurion system's own original anti-theft bracket. So this is again a generic type. So how safe is your gate motor really? How safe is your gate motor really? Because basically what you now can do is you can get in here with an hacksaw blade. Just give me an hacksaw blade there, please. Hacksaw blade, and you can hacksaw that through. You can hacksaw the other one through. And as soon as you've done that, I'll quickly show you, you can come in here with a hacksaw blade. If we put the lock on, so right, we've locked the anti-theft. Now look there, there's enough space to put a hacksaw blade in there. This is a mere 10mm steel rod that you need to hacksaw through, and on that side. That's done. You can take this off, you pull the pins out, and your gate motor is exposed. So let's quickly show you what we do. So we're done with the anti-theft bracket, and we've welded on these angle brackets onto the anti-theft bracket, so that prevents you from getting in at the back and hacksawing through the steel pins. And we've also welded on some other ears so you can't get in from this side. So that is just what you want. You know what to do. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Guys, watch out for smart gates, new website that we're building. https://www.smartgates.co.za. Thanks for watching. Right, we're done with the installation. Just give you a closer view of it before we test it, because obviously when we test it we get a lot of noise. I've learned to keep quiet when it's running. That's it. See that the motor is dead still when it's running. There's no vibrations on it. Motor is parallel, upright. Let's have a closer look. If you want your installation done like this, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Here in Gauteng. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Watch out, smart gates. www.smartgates.co.za. Here in Gauteng. Pottie 083 778 2288.